guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Simplykrystelle. Today's video is going to be a tutorial for Thanksgiving. Yes, even though we're in quarantine, we still can dress up and look cute in our houses. You know, even if we're not going anywhere, we can still dress up. So I'm showing you guys a Thanksgiving tutorial, super easy, using all drugstore products. So I'm using all affordable drugstore products for you guys, and I really like how this look turned out. It's super easy, super classy, and super simple, and very festive for the holidays, just because, you know, we're going through this pandemic, which is crazy, you know, crazy times, and it's a scary time for everybody. It doesn't mean we have to give up on ourselves, you know. We can still look nice, still dress up, still, you know, just enjoy. So if you're going through a tough time with this pandemic, just know that I'm praying for you, and, you know, we're all in this together. We all have to play our parts to combat this pandemic. We all have to wear masks, guys. When we go out, wear your mask, you know, just social distance. You don't need to be hanging out, you know, together with people that you don't really know with no mask. Just take precautions, take those necessary precautions. That's all I can say. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please have a great Thanksgiving, stay safe during the holidays, and if you want to see I got this look, just watch the video. So I will admit that my eyebrows are not drugstore. I did use the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow wiz on my eyebrows, so sorry that I'm not telling the truth about my eyebrows. They're not drugstore. But I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild photofocus concealer and use this as the primer for my eyes. So I want to do something very like Thanksgiving-ish colors, oranges, my colors that I love to wear. So I'm using this e.l.f. Rose Gold Sunset palette, and I'm just going to use this whole palette to do a look with. And this palette, I believe, runs $10, so it's really affordable. Start off with this orangey shade right here, and I'm just going to apply that as my transition color. I'm gonna go in with this deeper shade here, this shade right here, and I'm going to use that in my crease area just to deepen it up a little bit. I've used this palette before on my channel, but I just thought I would do like a Thanksgiving look with this palette. No, like on camera the orange is not showing, so to make it a little bit more pigmented, I think I'm gonna go in with this orange. This is my e.l.f. Matte for Matte Summer Breeze palette, and I think I want to go in with this shade right here and just build up that orange that I use, because I feel like it's not peeking through on my eyelids. So I'm just gonna take like a more precise brush and really deepen up that orange to really get it to show. Gonna take this orangey shade right here, and I'm going to apply this on my lid with my finger. This is so pigmented, you guys. Look how pretty and metallic that is. For whatever reason my camera is not focusing today, but let's see. Yeah, you see that? You see how pigmented that is? It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I really wanted my crease, for whatever reason it's looking like really dark to me, so I really want to add more orange. So I'm actually taking my Wet n Wild Not a Basic Peach palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here, this orange shade, and I'm going to go back on my transition area with that shade, because I don't know, I'm not really liking the transition. I feel like it's so dark and then you see like orange here. But I'm gonna take this, and these are super pigmented. So I'm gonna take a fluffier brush and just apply that. So you guys, when your looks don't go the way you want them to, just improvise. Like you just gotta improvise, and when it doesn't work out, you just pick something else. So I'm just gonna take that and just kind of add back in that orange, because I really want it to be more orange here. And I really like the shade too from the Not a Basic Peach palette, so I'm going to take a little bit of it. Like, this is what it looks like. Focus. Okay, there you go. It's like this pretty orange shade, and I'm going to take that and just pop that here on top. Oh, guys, that's really pretty. All I did is I just popped it on top of the Rose Gold shade from the e.l.f. palette. Looks really nice. So I'm just going to deepen up my outer V a little bit. So I'm going to take this shade here and just kind of deepen it up with this. Take my little wipe and just clean up the edges. I like to clean up the edges, especially if I like want to do like a more sharp look, and that's what I was going for today. So for primer, I'm going to use the e.l.f. poreless putty primer. I love this thing. I think it runs for like $6, so it's super affordable and it's really good. It works amazingly. My L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour fresh wear foundation, and I have mine in the shade 515 Copper, I believe is the cup name. And then I'm going to take this on the e.l.f. sponge. These sponges are amazing, guys. They are really good. My lips have been so dry. Like, they're like inside, they're like burning. But sorry, just thought I would tell you guys that, because they have been super dry. I haven't been putting my lip mask at nighttime, so gotta get back in the habit of that. Take my Wet n Wild Photofocus concealer. I just bought this one like a month ago, and it smells so weird. Like, it just has a strong scent, but my old one smells like nothing. Yeah, the old one smells like nothing, but the new one smells funky. But anyways, I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna highlight like I always do. This concealer is amazing and it's so affordable. It's like $5, you guys. I'm gonna go in with my holy grail setting powder from Essence. This is the Brighten Up banana powder. I've talked about this time and time again on my channel. I love this powder so much and it's so affordable. I just bought another one because mine is like, I'm about to like hit pan really close, really soon. I need to clean my brushes. Yeah, I need to clean these brushes because they are not clean. Now everything is set. So now I'm going to bronze my skin. I'm taking my Essence matte bronzing powder palette and I'm going to add some warmth back. I'm going to mix these two shades right here at the bottom. I love mixing these two. It's just a perfect combination for my skin. So I'm going to take these two and I'm gonna take a bigger, fluffier brush, and with this brush right here, this Morphe brush, I'm gonna try to see if I could spread the bronzer a little bit more so it's not so concentrated. So now for blush, you guys, I'm going to take this Wet n Wild Mellow Wine blush. This is one of my favorite blushes from the drugstore, and this is the Color Icon blush from them. And it's so affordable, but it's so pigmented and it's so beautiful. And I'm saying so a lot, but it is really beautiful and it's really pigmented as well. I'm going to take some of that and apply to the apples of my cheeks. I'm going to apply my highlight, and I'm going to take my Flower Beauty Shimmer and Strobe highlighting palette, and I'm actually going to go in with I'm going to mix two shades. I'm going to mix this shade and this shade together. Is it showing? It looked like it wasn't showing. Okay, there you go, it's showing now. Like, is it showing? So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna take a little bit of this and just, again guys, I'm not a makeup artist, so please, you know, don't come for me and say like I don't know what I'm doing, because half the time I don't. I'm just, you know, going with the flow. But that's basically it for the face. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna set that all together, melt everything. Something I've been doing too is I've been setting my face before finishing up my eyes, and I just feel like it's been just helping me. It's been better. Like I do like a double set. Oh, I forgot to put the setting powder to set everything together, but I could do that and then just spray again. And I did use my e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist. This mist is really good. It smells like coconuts, but it's a really good setting mist. And I'm gonna take that orangey shade here, and I'm going to smudge my lower lash line with that. I'm gonna do a wing. I'm gonna do a thicker wing. So I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Water Liquid Eyeliner. Last time I tried to use it, it wasn't working, but I just swatched it on my hand and it was working. So let's see. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. 3-in-1 mascara, and this is in Very Black, and I'm just going to apply that to my lashes. I did not curl my lashes, I forgot to do that. For my lips, I'm going to go in with this shade from Maybelline. This is the Superstay Matte Ink in Mover. But before I go in with that, I'm going to take my KKW Nude 2 Lip Liner. Trick 2, if you ever mess up on your lipstick, you just take a brush, you take a little concealer. If you like want to, you just clean it up, just do the edge with concealer. My brush has nothing on it, but sometimes I take concealer and I just do the edge to really shape my lip. But yeah guys, that is it for my Thanksgiving makeup tutorial. This was super easy, and I used all drugstore affordable products. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know in the comment section, guys, what videos you want to see. Whatever videos you want me to film, please let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll get those filmed for you guys. But thank you so much for watching. Happy Thanksgiving to you and your family. Thank you again, and please subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.